Alright, hey, what's up you guys? So today I have a different video for you guys. I am going to be getting ready to go nowhere because quarantine, so let's get started. I kind of already prepped, I already prepped and primed my face, so my face has been really dry lately because of my acne. As you guys know, I have a lot of acne thanks to keto. But yeah, my face has been really dry and I have been trying everything for it. But I got this e.l.f. hydrating face primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation because I feel like I've done my foundation on camera so many times, so you guys don't need to see that. And I'm just gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 118 light beige. Alright, so I'm back now. My foundation's on, and honestly the primer that I've been using, I don't know, I feel like I need to use it a couple more times. I feel like it just doesn't let my makeup blend in like it usually does, because that primer's just what the fuck? That primer just feels kind of oily. I think I'm gonna go in and just cover the acne under my eyes and maybe brighten up my eyes a little bit. What? No. You see, I don't know if this works or not. Maybe all it does is like highlight the imperfections. I got this Fit Me loose finishing powder and I got it in light medium. This is too dark for my skin. So what I've been doing is I've been mixing it up with the Airspun loose face powder. So I think I'm gonna just go in with that instead. So just so I can set my whole face with it faster, just because this is gonna take forever. And yeah, I just put in a little bit. I also bought a bunch of new products because what else are you gonna do in quarantine? One other thing that I've been doing is talking to boys, especially since Tinder introduced that like passport thing. Like, oh my god, wow. So usually I use my Ulta contour kit, but I ordered some stuff. I ordered the Physicians Formula Cool Butter Bronzer, and my friend got me one of their highlighters for my birthday a couple birthdays back, and I still have it and I absolutely love it. It does feel like butter. And so when I was thinking about like what kind of bronzer should I buy, I saw this one and I was like, oh, this is it. Like, because I already like the formula of their highlighter, I thought maybe I would already like their formula of their bronzer. Literally taking it out of the package. And this is in the shade Sun-Kissed Bronzer. Also, like I said, I get really washed out really quickly, so like maybe something like this will help me. Yeah, actually it's really pretty. Their other one smells good. This one kind of smells like coconutty. I did buy some brushes as well, just from Amazon. I want to see the little fat ones. Let me see what they look like. Which one should I use? Oh, they smell good. They smell like clean. As I rub my fingers all over them. And I'm gonna go in with this one. And I just really wanted another face brush because the one that I have, I use it for everything. Should I go in with this? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go in with this. Hopefully it looks good. Should I touch it? So yeah, I'd be talking to boys. I love talking to boys. I really am in such a mood to go on a date because I've been bored and I've been stuck at home. And you know, like the butterflies that you get when you go on a date and it's like, it's sweet and it's fun, you know. I was just like, and also like TikTok guys, like, oh my goodness, they just be hitting a little different. They just be hitting a little different, my guy. There was this one guy that I found yesterday who was like so cute. And was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. Damn, it feels like 3 days ago. but I found him on TikTok and I absolutely fell in love with him. He's like this really tall, I'll put in a picture of him, but he's like this really tall guy and he's like really good with his nephew, and I just like, I love him. And guys, if there's a guy who is good with kids, like 9 times out of 10 I'll like fall in love. Like I really don't care. Like I love kids so much. Like I need someone that's good with kids. Obviously like I'm not gonna have a kid right now because like I'm too young and I'm not looking to have kids, or I don't really care if who I date wants kids or not, because in my eyes, I don't know, I'm not dating to marry, so yeah, there's that. But ooh lord, talking about dating to marry, talking about kid, talking about that whole situation. I went on a date once with this guy who I met, and literally our first date, he was like, I wasn't kind of like down for the date, I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling that date, but I was like, you know what, like give him a chance. And I was like, you're right, you know, me to myself, I was like, you're right, give him a chance. And I ended up going on the date, and in the date he tells me, he's like, I hate kids, I don't want kids, if I do ever have kids I'll only ever have one. And then I think he expected me to hate kids too, because I'm an only child and he was an only child, and I think he expected me to hate kids as well. And I was just there like, and then he was like, how about you? And I was like, I love kids. Like I literally, like I was just like, bro, what? Like the fuck? Like who the fuck says that? Like on a first date, literally on a first date, if we were like making plans, that's too harsh. If we were like making plans to get married, or if like we were dating to get married, I don't know, if it was like the third date even, I'd be like, okay, you know, you can bring up kids, but like don't bring them up now. And I don't know, that was just like such a turn on for me, because even though I'm not dating to marry, even though I'm not like, you know, like, you know what I mean, even though I'm not looking for someone that wants kids right now or needs kids or whatever, I don't want to hear that you hate kids when I'm like, when I love kids. I literally have the worst baby fever ever, like 9 times out of 10. So I was just like, bro, like don't tell me that, like I don't want to like I don't want to hear that. And so like that really turned me off to him. I was just like, yeah, I think this looks good. What do you guys think? Probably doesn't look good on camera, but I like the bronzed look right now. I feel like I never look bronzed. I feel like I never have enough color. You guys are probably like, no, you have enough. But yeah, I think I just have a type, y'all. Like my type is like, I always say like, oh, like I'm gonna go away from my type. I'm not gonna, you know, I don't have a type. I'm not gonna go for my usual. And that's always a freaking lie. But you know what? I need to learn my goddamn lesson, because every single time I go for my type, it bites me in the ass. It really does. The last guy that I was talking to that was my type. Should I even say this? Well, I didn't know. I was like, it's gonna make me look bad, but it's not really my fault. But there's this guy that I was talking to for a while, and I really liked him. I wouldn't say I really liked him, but I was like talking to him, you know, and I was like, oh, okay, you know, let's see where this goes. And he was in the army, and I'm not gonna say anything about that, but it's because like by where I live, there's like a shit ton of army people, and that's usually what I go for. I know. And I just like, I was talking to him and I was just like, oh my god, he's so cute, whatever. And I told my friend Vivian, I was like, listen, like there's this guy that I've been talking to and I think he's really cute, and you know, I don't know how to really use Facebook. I don't really use Facebook, and so like I always have her check on the guys for me. And I remember we were at school and I told her like, oh, there's this guy that I've been talking to and this is his name, whatever, blah blah, let's look him up. And she's like, oh, okay. And then he checked out, everything seemed normal, and he was like tall, he was like 6'5", and he had like a dad bod, you know, white guy, I don't know, just standard guy, I guess. Yeah, we saw his Facebook and everything, and we were just like, wow, it checks out, nice, nice, nice. And I was like, good, that's good, right? And she's like, yeah, that's good. Thank you. So I just was like really, really happy, you know. I had told her beforehand, I was like, I feel like he's talking to other girls because he always takes, like, I don't know, like, you know when you just have a feeling they're talking to somebody else and you're just like, oh my god, like, am I being played? Am I, like, does he have a side chick or whatever? And later on that night, literally we were at school looking at the ice freaking profile at like 3, and then literally she calls me at 6 and she's like, I think your man's has a girlfriend. And I was like, what? And then she's like, yeah. I went on my Facebook afterwards and we left his Facebook page open, and it says in a relationship with blank. And I couldn't believe it. I was like, bitch, what? I was like, literally, what? I was like, what are you saying? Like, what are you saying right now? And then she was like, yeah. And then I was like, oh my god, give me the name. I need to go stalk her. Like, what? What are you talking about? She's like, I already did it. It checks out. And when we were talking, it was like January, and they had posted like a picture together like in January of like New Year's, and I didn't know. Oh my goodness, I didn't know. Like, I swear I didn't know. It was not my fault, but I felt so guilty. I was like, you know. And I told her, I was like, I felt like he was talking to someone else. I felt like he had a side chick, but I didn't think I was the side chick. I didn't think, just even like remembering that, I'm like, oh my god. And I told him, and I was like, because he had like videos and stuff of them together, and I was just like, oh my goodness, like, he's a good boyfriend, like, oh my god. And then she's like, don't be stupid, he's gonna cheat on you. And I was like, I know, but what if he doesn't? Because my ideas were, because like, she wasn't even here, she was back where he's from, freaking Kansas or North Carolina, wherever the hell. Also, this man had a type. Let me just say, this man had a type. Like, I looked at his girlfriend and I looked at me and I was like, oh baby boy, you got a type. I could tell he got a type. I was like, oh my goodness. And she was in here, she was in Kansas or wherever the hell he was from. I already forgot, but obviously I'm not in Kansas, I'm in Texas. So he was like far away from her ass, and I was like telling her, I was like, listen, like, the reason why it's not working out is because they're long distance, and I'm here, he's here, she's over there, so he's cheating on her because she's over there, but I'm here, so he won't cheat on me. Like, literally, do you guys see my train of thought? Like, don't think I'm crazy, but yeah, I was just like, oh my god, you know. And I will admit, it was a moment of weakness. I hate that I did that. I don't know where I'm getting at with it. I had a feeling he was talking to someone else, so I'm like, you know, damn, like, why did I have to be right? Why did I have to be right? And he did have a side chick, and the side chick was me. Ugh, never again. Clown. That clown is what I am. Clown is what I was. Y'all, okay, I bought these lashes from Amazon, and they're actually so pretty. I actually really like them. Pretty cheap too, so got here pretty quick. But yeah, y'all, ooh, y'all know who I dated? A guy who reminds me so much of Joe Exotic. Like, literally Joe Exotic. Y'all know how crazy Joe Exotic is? And he's like crazy, and he's like, oh, I am the law of the land, whatever, blah blah blah. You know, he thinks he's like the first word and the last word, which he kind of is in his plot of land. I dated a guy like that, and I feel in my bones that man would have killed me. Lord, what am I saying? I act as if this isn't going on YouTube. Hi. Yeah, y'all, I don't be dating the craziest people. Okay, so this is the Rimmel London 1,000 Kisses. This is the Rimmel London 1,000 Kisses Stay on Lip Contouring Pencil. Damn, that's a sharp ass. Damn, okay. All right then. So let's do this. Let's see if I can line my lips, because I have been trying to. I hate it. I really do. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the finishing touches, because I hate it. But you guys came this far, so I gotta finish it, don't I? Alright, y'all, I'm back. I changed and I put on a necklace I bought in my Shein haul that if you guys haven't seen, you guys should definitely go check out after you're done watching this video, of course. But yeah, guys, this is the final look. I honestly probably dedicated more time to this than I would when I'm actually going out, just because I have time right now and I'm not going anywhere. But yeah, I know it's not the best, trust me, I know. I could definitely do better. It's just like, I think the lashes. I think lashes add something and it's not something good, but I think this is overall the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys enjoyed talking about boys with me and like listening to me rant. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see. Obviously, I have a lot of time with everything going on, so I'm definitely down to record a bunch of videos for y'all. But yeah, this is a finished look. And yeah, I think that's it for me today, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.